Hey everyone! So, have you ever wondered how to get Snapchat Plus for free? While there's no way to get a lifetime free trial, in this video, I will show you on how we can enjoy the Snapchat Plus features during the free trial period and decide if it's worth it. So, let's dive in. So, Snapchat Plus offers extra features like custom app icons, spatial patches, story replays, and more, but it comes with a subscription fee. And let's see how we can access the free trial first. In order to do so, you just need to open up your Snapchat and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. After that, you're going to tap on the Snapchat Plus banner or go to the settings menu. I'm just directly tapping on Snapchat Plus. After that, here you can see all of the features that I just told you ahead. So in order to go ahead and subscribe, you're just going to follow the prompts to enter your payment information. But remember, you won't be charged during the trial period. So here, after you have subscribed to the Snapchat Plus and accessed the feature which is free during the trial period, after that is done, if you don't want to continue after the trial period, make sure to cancel the subscription before the trial ends. So what you're going to do in order to do so, head over to the main settings after going to your profile, and you're going to go to the manage subscription section here. So if you have subscribed in any of the plans here, you will be directly finding the manage subscription here. So you're going to go ahead and cancel the subscription before the trial expires. If you can't find it on Snapchat Plus, you may directly head over to the Play Store application, and on the top left and on the top you can find your profile. So you're just gonna go ahead and click on payments and subscriptions, go to the subscription settings, and if you have subscribed to any of the features of the Snapchat or any other application, you may just head over here and cancel the subscription before the trial expires. So after that is done, the main thing you need to know is during the free trial, you just need to explore all of the cool features that Snapchat Plus offers, and custom themes, icons, story replays, additional features, priority support and more. So that's how you basically do it. But after the free trial, Snapchat will charge you based on your chosen subscription plan unless you cancel. So if you love the features, you might consider continuing with the subscription. Otherwise, that's it. So while there's no way to get Snapchat Plus for free, however, forever, we can still make the most of the trial period and enjoy the extra features while it lasts. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which Snapchat Plus feature you're excited to try. So see you in the next video.